I'm cruising through the streets of Chiraq right now. Just cruising along. Right here, it's kind of rough. As you can see, there's just like shootings going all around me. But I'm not scared because I'm in my F-150. It's not bulletproof, but when you're in an F-150, you might as well say it is, because no one shoots at you because you're an F-150 and they get intimidated. So I'm just gonna keep on cruising around the streets, giving this a test drive, seeing how things go. Went, you know, put some stuff in the back right back here. All right. Relaxed, nice and calm because I'm in my F-150. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so what I like about this vehicle is that it's spacious. You know, there's a lot of options even on the base model. There's a lot of options. Like right now I'm in normal mode. They have economy mode, they have a snow mode, they also have a sport mode. And I think in the sport mode the engine does not turn off when you come to a stop. I'm gonna try to switch to the sport mode just to test this out. Just to test out my theory. Let's go. Eco sport mode. I'm in sport mode right now, waiting for this vehicle to turn really quick. Whoa. In sport mode, this vehicle takes off like a rocket. Pretty intense. Whoa. I'm just tapping on the gas and it is hauling. You can finish the rest of that. We'll come to the stop sign. See if it engine turns off. All right, in sport mode, the engine does not turn off. It just keeps idling, okay? When I had it in normal mode and when I had it in econo mode, the engine shuts off. And I'm assuming in econo mode, the engine will shut off, as well as when you don't need all of the cylinders, like say for instance, it will not use all the cylinders, therefore saving you gas. But I'm gonna test out my theory in a second, okay? I don't know how I'm gonna test out the econo mode because I can't get in there and see all the cylinders being used, but I'm gonna try. All right, so let me go. I'm in sport mode. I'm gonna go to normal tow haul. I'm not hauling any. You can finish the rest of that. I'm gonna go to eco mode, earth-friendly truck. That's what I'm driving right here. Let's see how that drives. See how this drives for you. All right, so just sitting back, waiting for the green light and 3. Whoa. Yep. See, the engine was off, and then it started back up when I pressed the gas. Okay. So I'm not sure if the less cylinders are being used when they're not needed, but I do know, however, that the engine shuts off when I hit the stop sign or stop lights. Pretty impressive. All right, I'm just gonna keep on going, driving through Chiraq and see what's crack-a-lacking in this next woods. All right, so I'm gonna press the gas a little bit. There's not as much pickup as there is in sport mode. That was one thing I just noticed right there, which is okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really trying to be out here for the race or anything, but it's okay. I'm gonna get a little bit of turnulation, see how this vehicle turns a little bit. So I'm just gonna go right here, and I'm gonna make a left right here and see how this thing turns. See what's going on, what's crack-a-lacking. All right, here we go. Turn around. So I'm coming into a tight space right here. I'm gonna see how this vehicle turns around. It turns pretty well going across corners and stuff like that, which is pretty impressive, especially being in a city, you know, where the demand for turnation is quite intense. All right, see what's going on right here. All right, what is this cab driver doing? He's trying to test his turnation too. I'm gonna test mine a little bit, and I'm gonna make a left right here, see what's going on, see what's popping in the Chiraq. All right, cruising through Chiraq. All right, let's see what's going on, see what's crack-a-lacking, see all these people. Oh, I had to hit the brake really fast. Did you see those people trying to cross the street? Pretty crazy. All right, now I'm just gonna keep on going straight. Going. All right. Gotta stop. I'm gonna try out some other modes. So, Eco, Sport mode, Normal mode, Tow Haul, Snow Wet. Let's see what Snow Wet looks like. This sounds like a name of someone. Hello, Snow Wet. How are you doing? You guys don't know funny. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna keep on driving and seeing what this vehicle can do. I am in Snow Wet mode. Hey, Snow Wet, how are you doing? All right, just gonna keep on driving through and see what's going on. All right. I don't know what Snow Wet does, but she drives kind of like normal, nothing like anything super impressive. We'll see what's going on. All right, got to the stop sign and all right, in Snow Wet mode, in her mode, she does not turn off at the stoplight. She just keeps on going. All right, that's Snow Wet mode. All right, I'm gonna come to the stop sign or the stoplight, and then I am going to try a different mode. Okay, that's Snow Wet. I'm in Eco, and I'm in Sport mode right now. All right, we already did Sport mode a while ago. Normal, Tow Haul. Let's see what Tow Haul. Tow Haul sounds like some foreign name. Tow Haul. Non-English name, not foreign, but non-English name. Tow Haul. All right, gonna keep on driving. I'm gonna make a right here. All right, Tow Haul is kind of weird. Oh, whoa, Tow Haul. I'm gonna turn Tow Haul off. Okay, Tow Haul has a lot of low-end power, but then it doesn't seem quite right once I get out of it. So kind of, I'm gonna go back in Sport mode. I'm feeling kind of sporty. All right. So I'm in Sport mode right now, and I'm about to press the gas as soon as the light changes. All right, sitting here, going 0 miles per hour. Turn up the heat, get it a little hot in here, and I'm just waiting. If you guys can hear the sound, in Chicago they have trains that go up and down over the roads, and they're kind of loud. One is actually going over my head right now, way over my head. All right, and I'm just gonna drive. Here we go. All right. Whoa. Did you guys hear that? I had a little slipation go with the tires, okay? So the tires slipped a little bit. I didn't have them four-wheel drive, but the reason why I didn't spin out is because it is in traction control is on. It is not in the off position, okay? So I was able to have maintained control when the tires spent out. You know, that was quite concerning. I'm gonna try to switch it to 4x4 mode. Do it right now. Shifts in progress. I'm gonna do 4x4 mode. And, you know, just for a little bit more traction, because I do not want to be slipping, not down here, not in the main streets of Chiraq, because in Chiraq, you don't want to get caught up in traffic. All right, so I'm gonna just keep on cruising around the streets, see what's going on. All right, let me take a look. I'm gonna adjust the steering wheel. I'll let the steering wheel up a little bit. So I'm just gonna keep on going, see what's happening. All right, really cool, really cool. Gonna change lanes and then go. 4x4 in the city. How many of you guys have done 4x4 in the city? Sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. All right, a lot of stuff going on, and I'm gonna make a left right here. All right, I'm really enjoying test driving this vehicle. It's a really nice vehicle, the F-150. If you ever have driven this vehicle, you know how special this vehicle is. F-150, top selling cars in the world, okay? 2018, 2017, 2016, you just keep on naming it, you know, the dates, and F-150 tops the charts almost every single time, okay? That's impressive for a vehicle to keep on doing that time after time after time after time after time. Just cross the street really quick without someone coming right there. All right. I'm just gonna keep on going down the street. See what's happening. More trains up there that are going on. All right, more trains. And I'm just gonna be right here. Gonna cruise on down the street. All right, there's a taxi in front of me right there. Call 311, report taxi number if they do anything bad. So I guess that's the tattletale number, or the, what is this car doing right here? Don't want to get caught up in traffic. I am going to take this vehicle on Lower Wacker Drive and test out the 4-wheel drive on Lower Wacker Drive. If you ever come to Chicago, driving on Lower Wacker Drive is quite the experience. A lot of stuff going on down there. Pretty, sometimes it can be creepy if you're down there late at night. But overall it's good. I guess it's the next one. Whoa, F-150 has some pickup. Gonna make a left right here. This lady's trying to be a ball hog and try to get in front. So I'm gonna go on Lower Wacker Drive and take this vehicle for a spin. Friendly people in Chicago. All right, cool. Taking on 4-wheel drive. Whoa, pick up. Lower Wacker Drive, pick up. All right, so I'm just gonna keep on driving down on Lower Wacker. It's pretty cool down here. Look at it. The lights, feels like I'm in a tunnel, but I'm not in a tunnel. 30 miles an hour is the speed limit. I'm sorry, you guys. I know you guys were looking for a little bit of fastation, a little bit of, you know, me going fast, but I'm not gonna do that down here. I don't break the laws. All right, so I'm just gonna be driving down here, driving Lower Wacker Drive. It's pretty cool down here, man. It's nice. I'm just gonna go over here. A lot of things happen down here at nighttime on Lower Wacker Drive. It's pretty cool. Ooh, stop sign. Didn't see that. All right, I'm just gonna keep on going. And then I'm gonna make a left right here. Pretty impressive down here, isn't it? It's kind of creepy. A lot of people don't know about Lower Wacker Drive, but it's a lot of stuff down here. You know, a lot of the shops, they have their trucks and everything come down here to unload. It's pretty impressive. A lot of people sleep down here. You know, a lot of stuff going on down here. I'm just gonna drive around here, just test drive the vehicle down here a little bit. Just gonna go around here. All right, that's me. 4-wheel drive on Lower Wacker Drive. All right, I'm gonna cut this off right here, but check out the next part. It's gonna be titled 4-wheel drive on Lower Wacker Drive.